Factorization and simultaneous equations. What this is all about are particular patterns of expansion. So for example here we're asked to expand x minus 4, x plus 4. Look carefully at the form of this. So we have x and 4 in both brackets, but here the sign is a negative and here it's a positive. So what happens when we expand this? X times x is x squared. X times positive 4 gives us plus 4x. Then we get minus 4x. And then minus 16. So when we tidy this, the middle terms cancel each other out. And we just get x squared minus 16. And if we compare that to what we had at the start, note how that's x squared take away 4 squared. If we look at x minus p, x plus p, we get x squared plus px minus px minus p squared. So once again the middle terms cancel out, giving us x squared minus p squared. Now what we're supposed to spot from these is that if we have a squared minus b squared, it will factorize to a minus b, a plus b, and that's called a difference of two squares. So if we look at this situation, which is actually x squared minus 6 squared, that will become x minus 6 and x plus 6. So here we have x plus 3, x plus 3, or x plus 3 all squared. And if we expand that, then we get x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Tidying the middle terms gives us x squared plus 6x plus 9. And what we're expected to spot here is that this is x squared, add 2 times 3x, add 3 squared. Now when we look at this more algebraically, let's see if that pattern continues. So we have x squared plus ax plus ax plus a squared. So that's x squared plus 2ax plus a squared. Now the idea is if we spot something of this pattern, we can factorize it very quickly. And if we look here, this one is x squared plus 2 times 3x plus 3 squared. And we know that because we saw it over here. But we could spot another one like this. For example, we might spot x squared plus 8x plus 16 as being x squared plus 2 times 4x plus 4 squared. Not 14 squared, 4 squared. So we can factorize this much more quickly as x plus 3 all squared, or x plus 3, x plus 3. Now here again we have a different pattern, x minus 2, or x minus 2 all squared. Expanding we get x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. And tidying the middle gives us x squared minus 4x plus 4. And what we're supposed to spot here is that this is x squared, take away 2 times 2x, add 2 squared. And when we look at this algebraically, that should be more obvious. So we'll have x squared minus ax minus ax plus a squared, which is x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. Now if we look at this one, we should spot that this is x squared, take away 2 times 4x, add 4 squared, and therefore we can factorize that as x minus 4x minus 4, or x minus 4 all squared.